Hello everyone, I hope you are okay today. Today I'm gonna teach you 3 important words in French and English. So in French we have s'il vous plaît, merci and désolé. In English we have please, sorry and thank you. So how, like you know, in French, when you say désolé, it means sorry in English. So when you do something wrong, when you make some mistake, you have to say sorry. In French, you say désolé. So we say thank you when we receive something. Your mom, your dad, your boyfriend, or anyone else, I know people that give you something, even it's not a material thing, it's an advice, you have to say thank you. Thank you means merci. So you can say merci papa, merci mama, which means thank you mom, thank you dad. Apart from thank you, we have also please. Please means s'il vous plaît. We say s'il vous plaît when you want to ask something, like you want to receive something, you want an advice, you want anything from someone, you say please. Please, which means s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, tu peux m'aider, which means please, can you help me? Okay, thank you. You have to practice it because it's 3 important words in language. It shows your behavior, it shows your education and your character. Thank you. Bye.